Welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into the interesting problem surrounding nested classes in C++. The problem at hand involves a scenario where a constructor parameter of a nested class shadows a member of the enclosing class. How does this happen? Let's find out. In the solution provided, we explored a code example where a struct A contains an integer member A and a nested struct B. Within struct B, there is a member B declared using decal type A, effectively referring to the A member of struct A. The constructor of struct B takes an integer parameter A, which shadows the A member of struct A. This shadowing allows for the constructor parameter A to be used to initialize the member B within struct B. It's a fascinating interaction that showcases the intricacies of nested classes in C++. To wrap things up, we've delved into the realm of nested classes and constructor parameter shadowing in C++. It's a complex yet fascinating aspect of the language that adds depth to object-oriented programming. I hope you found this exploration insightful and engaging. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe for more programming insights. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!